Today's video is for people who want to live longer. I'm going to read something to you, so excuse me for a second as I pull it out. The pancreas is harmed, as are all organs, if the body becomes too acidic. The pancreas is especially sensitive to acid conditions. Without sufficient bicarbonates, the pancreas is slowly destroyed. When the pancreas loses the ability to produce enough bicarbonate essential for the pancreatic enzymes to function properly, undigested proteins penetrate the bloodstream, inducing allergic reactions and inflammation. Research in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that having a balanced bicarbonate levels in your body reduces the chance of an early death. They found that low levels of bicarbonate is linked to an increased risk of premature death by 24%. So, one of the secrets to a long life or a healthier life lies with sufficient bicarbonate levels. And as most people don't know, the stomach produces bicarbonate, pancreas produces bicarbonate, and the kidneys produce a lot of bicarbonate to strictly control the pH of the blood. As we age, these three organs tend to produce less bicarbonate. For many reasons, we become acidic. But as we age, there's an internal process of reduced function that causes bicarbonate deficiencies.
If you found this powerful, you've only seen the first 2 minutes. The full 8-minute video is available now on Substack, including how to test your own acidity and why bicarbonates may be the most overlooked medicine on Earth. You will find the link below.